What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. We're looking at Quant today. Thank you guys for your patience. We've met our first technical target out of the breakout above the 1 fib level. So I need to move this to the side as I haven't touched this chart since we last spoke yesterday. And yeah, so we're in a target now to the 1618. Actually to this, you're technically coming back to this high basically. These are the resistance points that are currently stopping you. We've met the 1.272 target. We're getting a reaction now from this resistance. So once we do find support, as long as it's above this previous resistance, or let's say above this previous low over here, then we're good for continuation to our next technical target at $133, then $141, and of course then $150 as we're retracing back to this previous high. So you can see that this double bottom really is taking shape, with this being the first bottom and this being the second bottom. This is a bit clearer on the daily time frame, so we'll head over there now. Let me just move this to the side over here. We were ready for that scenario if we lost the 618 here, because we were down here in the current candle, but we actually closed above the 618. We were ready if we lost this for that reversal wave back down to the 1, and if we lost the 1, we were ready for the 1.272 at $70. But it seems like you held the 618 for the continuation upwards. Now I know guys, you're still validated, you still haven't invalidated this target to $70, and it is still valid. However, we are on the way up to invalidate it. How do we do that? Get above this red box, get above this purple box, and you have invalidated this $70 target, which is still in play. But of course, even though it's still in play, it doesn't mean that we have to go to there. We know that. So even though it's a target, we know we can invalidate it. And how do we do that? With this double bottom if it breaks the neckline. So the risk is you can actually come all the way up here and then fail to break above it, and that's the scenario where we do continue to roll over. But it looks unlikely, because if Bitcoin breaks out of a double bottom, then Quant will too. So that's why TA on alts, or any alts, is actually pointless. Of course we want to know where the alts are going, but it's pointless in the sense that Bitcoin will decide, and I've said this a million times over the last few months, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, so with this double bottom over here, I'll get you the technical target. It's probably about 200 and something dollars. Let's check. Yeah, about two. Wow, look at that. So actually, if we break out of this, our target is the descending triangles support. This, I even gave you this descending triangle and the breakout, which is crazy. So we did predict this. Obviously not as deep down as it went. We did say if we ever lost this, we're coming back down to here, and if that's lost, we're coming to here. So yeah, we've been prepared for every situation. It was just this was the only one where I did think we were going to hold support, because we had this ascending support with higher lows, and it looked like we were forming some sort of double bottom here, but because we were in this downtrend, it didn't pan out and it became a descending triangle. And then obviously once we did break down, I gave you the target of $85. It's just when I saw this forming, I did think we were going to break up, and 205 was the level to break, and then the next impulse would have been 263. So same thing right now. Hopefully this is a double bottom. You do have a higher low, but you did have a higher low here. It's just now we need to go ahead and break 150 or slash $155, and once that's done, we're going to retrace back to the descending triangle support, but now as resistance. So of course we will get a reaction here, just like you got reactions here. So it makes sense that probably come back down to the 205, maybe form some sort of ascending triangle over here, ascending triangle here, and then break out just like another double bottom, just like what we're seeing right now over here. This is also an ascending triangle. It's just double bottoms are ascending triangles. You see that right there? So could do this, break out, and then eventually head up there. So that is our target, 263, only when you break above 150 to 155. Until you do that, we're still in that $70 technical target. I know it's so annoying to say, because we're definitely not going there at the moment. We're going up at the moment, and you've broken above the 1, meaning that we're coming to the 1618 minimal. So that is your target. The only thing in the way at the moment is this daily 55 EMA over here, basically at in between the 1.272 and the 1414 at $132. So there's that risk that we come down, get rejected. Hopefully we hold the 1 for the continuation up. But of course, if we start rolling over and losing this low, it basically means that we want to retrace back to this low point, and if you break below that, you know what's next. So But at the moment, that's not what's on the cards. At the moment, what's on the cards is retracing back to this high because you've broken out of this broadening falling wedge, bringing you back to the 1414. And basically that means that you should actually carry on because we're in a target to the 1618. And if we're definitely coming up here, we're probably going to carry on this impulse up to the 1618. And if the momentum is strong, we could even carry on straight away to that high. But wouldn't worry even if there's a pullback and then we go, to be honest. So yeah, we're ready for all these potential scenarios. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment what you think is going to happen next. I'm trying to get to 2K subs, so please subscribe and click in the bottom right corner, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.